Welcome to the Frugal Family. If we are meeting for the first time, my name is Julie. I have been dumpster diving for 11 years now to supplement our family's income and to finance our passions, our dreams, and a lot of travel. If those sound like things that you are interested in being a part of, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you have been part of this for a while and are liking what we are doing, feel free to add a thumbs up to let us know. All right, so we find a lot of things in the bins, but then what do we do with them? Well, we sell a lot of them, of course, to, like I said, finance our dreams and passions and travels, but we also repair and reuse and donate and share a bunch of stuff too. So today we're going to show you some of those things that we have been doing this week and last week to upcycle, repurpose, repair, and to use and share those things that we have been finding. 3 more bags of Christmas and holiday cards ready to be picked up. I have just been offering them like crazy to family, friends, and neighbors on my personal Facebook page. And now hopefully, I think I got the last of them. I kept just like 4 of these, maybe 5 of these little bundles for myself. I normally would even keep some for like craft projects, but we are in such a downsized declutter mode right now that just would not be helpful. So, and luckily I have so many people willing to take them off my hands and put them to good use, whether as greeting cards or for scrapbooking or craft projects themselves. I don't feel bad at all letting all of these go. So these friends should be coming and picking these up today. I am so excited to move these on and have that much more space. I know it doesn't seem like it's a ton, but guys, it adds up. It adds up so fast. And now the fabulous new table and chairs set that I bought with dumpster diving YouTube money. Oh my gosh, I am so proud of this. I was able to buy us an oven earlier. I guess it was like middle of last year or sometime. And I was so proud of that. I'm even more proud of this gorgeous table and chairs set and the covers that I was able to get for the chairs. The tablecloth that is protecting the table, that is of course from the dumpsters. It's amazing the things that have been made possible with dumpster diving and YouTube. Well, hello, Reagan. What'd you do? Ah! All right, what did you do?
I fixed it.
You fixed it? Is that the one we found in the bins?
Yeah.
So how'd you fix it?
I just grabbed batteries.
That's it? Ta-da! So, awesome. How does it work?
There's a little button on the side that you press and it automatically turns on and you can choose where it points.
That is so cool. What a neat little flashlight. Well, I'm glad we grabbed it. Thank you so much for fixing it.
Yeah. But
not only did he get it to work, look what he figured out. How freaking cool is that? It's the whole galaxy in a little heart. What a fun little nightlight. We've decided he can use it as his reading light.
Because I like to stay up late.
Yeah, he likes staying up and reading, but he doesn't need the overhead light on. He can just have this. Another thing on the list today, I got these headbands glued back together. There's still several other headbands, but there weren't enough of the little bouncy things to go on them. So we'll just use those headbands probably to make like Mickey ears and stuff. Then you'll remember these from a couple of weeks ago, these lanterns. They both had pieces of broken glass, but what I was able to do was knock all the glass out of this one except for this one piece and one other, and put it over here in this one that only needed one more. And we now have a complete lantern. So the other one, it's fine. We'll still do something with it. Maybe put a flower arrangement or something. But this one, glass on all sides. How cool is that? And then it says to only use LED candles. Well, we're going to test these ones out that we found. You'll notice this one has a depression in it. That's unfortunate. That's potentially why they threw it out. But the one that they threw out with it doesn't have any of those issues, so I don't know. But let's go ahead and get these opened up and try them out, and that way we can see if they can go in these lanterns. I don't see a tab, so I don't know if we're going to have to put batteries in it. Oh, yep, we are going to have to put the batteries in. And this one calls for AA, which I happen to have, so that's great. This is the one that's not smushed at all. It looks absolutely perfect. That one is pretty badly smushed in right there, but you won't even be able to notice it when it's in the lantern, and we just put that side to the back. Next, let's check out these hanging things that we found a couple of weeks ago in the craft store bin. Oh, okay. So there's 2 in each box. What I'm thinking is, I don't know if they are meant for indoor or outdoor. I can't use all of them in the house. There's just too many. I think I found, 4 boxes? So that's 8 of these. Way too many for in the house. But I do think I will hang these 2 in the house, and then the rest I'm going to put out in the shed and have those hanging on the porch or out in the Laughing Place garden, maybe hanging from the eaves or from the trees. In a place where if it gets windy, they, won't hit against anything that will break them. We'll figure that out. But they are super duper cute. Let's take this out of the plastic so that we may see it better. Come on now. There we go. Oh yeah, gorgeous. And no, they're not broken. They're not cracked. I'm guessing that they're like last season or something, and that's why they were getting rid of them. If you guys happen to have any other information on why they would have thrown all these out, please tell me in the comments. I appreciate all of your helpful info. It really does come in handy. But there you go. I'm going to get these hung up. I won't be putting plants in them until spring, but it'd be nice to at least have them hung up and out of the way. One less thing, taking up space where it doesn't need to be taking up space. I put out a little picture and a question on some of our social media. All of our social media links are in the video description, about a project, kind of a secret project that I was working on, and asked if anyone had an idea what it was that I was doing. See these pictures for a reminder. And before I answer, see if you can come up with and put in the comments what you think I am creating with these following images. Now that I've made the ear parts, I've gotten down these headbands from the attic that are, of course, all from the dumpsters. Dollar store, party store, these ones are all still in the packages. All they need is just to have the ears added, and yeah, they're good to go. I am so excited. These are so freaking cute. This is the one I will be wearing since we will be there basically for my birthday. Not on my birthday, but right after my birthday. So I will wear this one, and then everyone else will wear these. The thing is, I really like these ones. So, I don't know. I mean, we'll be there for 5 days. Maybe I'll wear this, like, on the first day, and then on another day, wear these. We'll see. Anywho, waiting for the glue gun to warm up, and then we will start adding the ears, and then I'll show you what they look like. The following are some of our Valentine's decorations. They're about, I would say, 85% dumpster salvage finds. been busy. Oh yes, but we've gotten all of this American Girl stuff sorted, organized, decluttered, dejunked. So now all of this can, well, and then the stuff that we're going to be playing with in the living room, it can all go downstairs. And Mariah and I have made a promise to each other, mostly her to me, that it will not get so bad again. We end up having to do this at least once a year, twice a year. It should be done every few months, but it's not, where I get everything sorted and organized. And then, of course, it gets played with because we play with our toys. But then it all ends up, yeah, in a horrible big mess. But she has promised that this time will be better. Pie crust promises, but we're going to try. This was a lot of work. I'm so glad we got it done. No, I did not take any before pictures or videos because, honestly, I was too embarrassed. Since we got so much of our American Girl stuff organized, we have been playing with American Girls. And especially because we got Felicity back, I am the salon lady today. My name is Sally, and I am brushing out Josefina's hair.
Next.
Ooh, yeah, her hair is next. Eek. You'll notice that we have some of the clothes that our friend Joanna made for us and sent to us. So much fun. Anyway, so that is what we're doing right now. And then at some point we will clean all this up, and then we're going to start on organizing our books, which we have to do like every couple of months. Same with the American Girl stuff. And when the books are done, we will start on the craft center. Sound good? Huh? Mimi? Sound good? Spring cleaning. It's time. But we're going to play for a little bit longer, and then we will get ready for the day. Sound good, Moo? Okay, bye. Guys, I love what I do. I've been asked many times, especially after getting a college degree, why I'm a dumpster diving YouTuber and not going out and getting a real job. Well, hopefully I've shown you a few reasons why. One, I care about the future and the environment. That's part of it. But way bigger than that, so much more important, I want to be the one raising my kids. And I am so lucky, so privileged and fortunate to have this opportunity where my husband works full time and pays, the household bills and insurance and those kinds of vital things that leave me the option of living this kind of alternative lifestyle in regards to bringing in an income where I am able to be here with you guys, but even more importantly, be with my kids. And I get to make my own schedule. And if my kids want to spend the morning playing with American Girl dolls, I have the freedom to do that, which is such a treat, and I am so grateful for this opportunity and grateful to all of you because you guys and watching and supporting us through Patreon and PayPal and eBay and everything else, super chats, whatever, and just by liking and watching and sharing and commenting, you guys make this possible for me, this silly lady, to live this marvelous, fabulous life and to share some of it with you on an almost daily basis. So from the bottom of my heart, thank you. Just thank you so much. All right, we are off to a day of adventures, and we will be doing a Frugal Family Fanatics video on some of those adventures that will be coming soon. Till then, have a marvelous weekend. We will see you Sunday in the dumpsters.